Poco M6 5G launching on December 22nd, could be the cheapest 5G phone under 10,000 rupees. Over the past few weeks, several information about the Poco M6 5G have been emerging from various sources. And now the company has officially announced the launch date of Poco M6 5G in India. This is going to be the second smartphone in the Poco M series, which will offer 5G connectivity. Let's take a look at what information has surfaced so far about the Poco M6 5G. Poco has officially revealed the launch date of the Poco M6 5G phone on their official X, formerly known as Twitter, handle. The screen will be removed from the top of the handset on December 22nd. The phone could be the cheapest 5G smartphone under 10,000 rupees in India. Poco M6 5G with model number 23128PC33i and codename Air_P has already been spotted on some public certification platforms. The smartphone may be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6200 Plus processor with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of inbuilt storage. If this is the rebranded version of the Redmi 13C 5G, then the Poco M6 5G will have a 6.74-inch LCD display, which may offer a 90Hz refresh rate. The phone will feature a dual rear camera with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and another depth sensor. It will likely run Android 13-based May 14 custom skin. Besides, the Poco M6 5G is expected to come with a side-facing fingerprint sensor. For power backup, it will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. The retail box of the Poco M6 5G will likely include a 10W charger and the smartphone will offer a USB Type-C port. Notably, the higher-end Poco M6 Pro 5G phone is already on sale in India, offering up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The smartphone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, a large 5000 mAh battery and a 6.79-inch Full HD Plus display. The device is available in two color options, Power Black and Forest Green. Poco is also rumored to be preparing to launch the 4G variant of the Poco M6 Pro in the coming days, as it has already been certified in India.